What are you guys going to do with all those new toys? Huh? You don't need new toys, do you, Woody? As long as you got the paper towels. Don't bite. Why are you gonna bite? What's going on in that tube? Misty, why are you licking the tube? You guys are silly. I wonder where the farm cat is. Farm cat. Get up here. Right now. Hi, farm cat. What's the bath report? Is everybody clean? No. Why aren't they clean? Come on, Frank. Get down here, right now. Franklin, farm cat. Get down here. Roll over. Hi, Newton. Newton. Have you bathed Newton? Have you? What do you think about Newton? What do you think about him? Franklin farm cat. Get over here, Frank. Franklin, get over here. Let's see how compliant you can be. Lay down. Let's see if we can slide you across the floor. Franklin farm cat. Get over here. Lay down. See if we can slide you across the floor. That way it's called sliding to your bath services. Franklin, there's never been a gentler cat than you. Ever. See, now you can bath Billy Joe. Oh, I don't want a head bonk. And Newton's back. Hi, Newton. Hi, Newton. Mr. Stripes. Stripes. How are you? Hi, Mr. Newton. Hi, Big B. Big B. Can I do your belly? Big B. I feel crunchies in there. I feel crunchies in there. Get over here, B. Big B. Big B. Getting your butt scratched, Big B. Oh, good girl. Newton, how can I do anything if you're climbing all over me? You're about as codependent as this one. Franklin. Frank. Franklin. Get up here, Newton. Yeah, he's gonna bath you. You're dirty. Bath him, Frank. Not sniff his butt. Franklin. Newton doesn't like the Franklin bath. Hi, broken leg kitty. What? Let's go turn on your new toy. How's that sound, Stripes? I knew you were somewhere. What are you doing down there? Ursula. Huh? Yeah? You a good girl? You could go either way today, I see. You angry? Yeah? There's Woody. Hi, Wood. How's your paper towel situation? Hi, Misty. Hi, Misty. You want your butt scratched, too? Oh, what? Oh, my goodness. Oh, Scoot came out of the tube. How nice. You guys better say thank you to all your friends that sent you a new tube, a moving mouse. What's it called? Pounce. It's a good ninja training device. Billy Joe, you're just holding it down. You're holding it down until it dies. Scoot, leave Big B alone. Can't I ever have a minute of peace in here? Who spilled the litter box? Franklin. Big B, stop hissing. And Scoot, stop chasing her. You heard me. Whoop, and there comes Newton. Alright guys, we got a big day today. It's Super Sunday. Tomorrow is Groundhog Day. It's supposed to snow. We need to clean the house. We need to pet the grape cat. Oh, grape. That looks pretty uncomfortable, grape. At least I know how to keep everybody out of my hair.